guys, welcome back to a new video. Today's video is going to be a little bit different from what I usually do. Today's video is going to be how I gain 4K views on one video and how you can too. So before I go into the analytics side of how I gained 4K views on one video and gained 15 or more subscribers from that one video, just want to say everyone's growth is different. This tip I'm going to give you does 100% help, but loads of the videos that I've seen on this tip has said give it at least a week. Mine took 4 days, so yours might take 2 days, yours might take 3 days, it might take over a week, but I promise you it will work, because I thought it wouldn't work for me, and here we are. I hope it's okay for me holding my phone, but this is going to be the layout there. But the first thing we're going to look at is, first of all, the title. I know it sounds really typical, it's just a title, but when I explain to people to put hashtag shorts into their title and everywhere else, I want to make it specific that you have to put a title that's catching as well. Obviously this isn't the best title I've made up, but this was my first time doing shorts. And then in the description, as you can see, I put hashtag shorts video, hashtag YouTube shorts, and hashtag short. So as much as I can, I have put shorts into the word with hashtag to get out there and onto YouTube search and everything like that. And then with the tags, I have just put natural makeup routine, natural makeup tutorial, everything to do with makeup and casual looks, outfits and everything like that. But I've also put in hashtag shorts, hashtag short video and everything to do with that. I would still relate your tags to your video, so even if you don't get out there in shorts, you will get out there some way, but believe me, you will. So now that we've clarified the hashtags and everywhere I've put them and everywhere I think you guys should put them, let's get on to the analytics side. Now with the rest of the description, I didn't do much. This is a tip that I would do next time, or a tip I would do next time, is put more information, because you never know, this has been proven, you never know when you're gonna blow up on a video, you never know when a video is gonna do amazing. So that's what I would do better. And then again, I would put more details onto the thumbnail, but these are just tips I'm giving you that if you want it to do better or just get as many views I get, that's what I would do. Now when you look at this straight away, you can see how much I have grown from this one video. I have never gained 25 subscribers from one video before, that's the first. And two, I have gained 30.7 watch minutes and 4.3k views. And then as you can see, most of my search and the viewers and everything like that is coming from direct and unknown. Now because I've done research on the hashtag shorts videos, I know that they have said most of the views will be from that, because obviously YouTube doesn't know who it is. You're just trolling like Instagram, looking through stories / shorts, so it will be mostly from direct views or unknown, well, direct and not unknown. But then the second bit is channel pages. Now personally I don't understand what that means, but I think it is from different channels. Like if you're watching Saffron Barker and their channel recommends my video, as you can see the rest of the percentages isn't that high, but most of the percentage is coming from direct and unknown. But like I said, that's because it's on Tory. it's on short, so YouTube themselves won't know who's viewing it and if they're subscribed or not. So with the audience retention, again, I have got the highest I have ever had before. Even though the video is only 60 seconds, it has got 44.7%. Now, I have heard, I keep on saying I have heard because this isn't my niche, so this is just what I'm looking at. But I've heard that 30% is a good ratio to get out there on YouTube. So 44.7% is amazing. But I think that's mostly because it's a short video. Okay, so straight up you can see that my impressions are just 2.4k. Again, I don't know what your impressions are normally like on a video, but they are amazing for me. And then my impression click-through rate is 2.6%. Now, I would say that's an average for me. I can get that high, but it is still a good click-through impressions. Then we have the views and unique views. Now, most of these views have actually came from the unique views. 1k and a bit, I would say it has only came from the views. Hoping this makes sense, but that's what I'm seeing. But altogether, I've got 4.3k views, and it says 4.3k more than usual. So everyone is different, but that is amazing on my channel. Now we're down to impressions and how they like to watch time. So on watch time and impressions, again my impressions are 2.4k. My views from impressions are only 61 views. Now that is still good, but depending on the views that you normally get, it's good for my channel. Watch time from impressions is 0153. That is pretty much most of the video. I've done a 60-second video, so it's only like leaving 4 seconds out, pretty much. And then we go down to the traffic sources. Now again, you can see that the direct and unknown is better, but we've been through that, and that's what yours will mostly look like. And then I promote my videos mostly on Instagram or Facebook. So as you can see on there, I don't think I actually promoted this video as much, but most of the views have came from Facebook. So this is another way you could promote your videos, is through Facebook group, your own Facebook page, your Facebook account. That's what I do when I do milestone or anything like that. And then down here, it shows me what videos are suggested. Now I'm going to actually go inside this because we can see more analysis. So before I get into this step, I just want to say I'm going to link the Project Girl Boss channel down below. This is the channel that has helped me grow this much with all of her amazing tips. She also has a Facebook page I will link down below. She's doing a 30-day challenge. There's only 15 days left, I'm pretty sure, so you can join if you want. But even the Facebook group and her videos on her YouTube channel are amazing, and this is the tip that I got it from. So on to the traffic source and the videos that suggested
my video. So as you can see, straight up mine comes up first because it's my video, and then one's turning into Elsa, that's mine as well. But most of videos that boosted my video probably popped up on their video, probably was in like the bar at the side or like down below, anything like that, I think.
But personally, from looking at this, I don't see a massive difference in videos. Obviously there's more videos that are showing this video. I normally get 1 or none that show my video. So that is better than nothing, but the percentage wise I don't see any changes. Now on to the engagement. Now this is a very important thing, I would say, is because you can just see how your videos got out there and everything like that. Even though I don't understand most of it. But as a glimpse, you can see that the watch minutes are 30.7. Most of these analytics are the same, just in different ways. So you can look at your own if you do this. But that's what my engagement is, and that's what it shows. Now this is more in depth. This is crazy. 1 unique viewers, I got 3.9k, and then average views per viewer is 1.0. So not that high, but as you can see, I have gained 25 subscribers from this one video. I thought it was 15, but from it being out and Project Girlboss helping me boost the video and getting me out there a little bit more has helped it gain more subscribers. Now the problem is though, because most of these views were from direct or unknown, it's got down that 99.2 viewers are not subscribed. Now that is most likely going to happen, I would say, because it's from a Tory, they're not already subscribed, or YouTube doesn't know they're subscribed. Now on to where these views are coming. Now you can see most of them are coming from the United States, and that's amazing. But that does make sense, because when I woke up, the 4K views were there. Now your views might be different. Your views might blow up while you're awake, and they could be from the United Kingdom, but my views blew up when I was asleep. So it all depends on what happened. And now, lately most of my videos I don't actually get this bit here, but as you can see, because of how many views I've got, I have got this view thing here. So the average female or male, the average male is 83.4. So as you can see, most of the views are coming from male are coming from females. So that is good on my way, because I make beauty and fashion videos, and obviously it was a beauty and fashion video, so obviously you don't expect males to enjoy it that much. But saying that, I did get 16.6%, so that is still good. Now on to the age. 13 to 17 years, I only got 8.8%. Now that is still good, but not as great as the 18 to 24. I got 36.4. Now that is amazing for me. I don't know if it is for you guys, but that's incredible for me. And then the next highest one was 25 to 34 years. Again, it's mostly like adults that are watching the short, because it is about makeup and fashion and everything. I'm not saying a teenager won't be interested in that, but because I'm 21, I would expect to attract that age range. And then the second highest is 35 to 44. Now I wouldn't expect this, I didn't expect this to happen. Like, I don't know what type of people they are, if they're into fashion, if they're into beauty, or they're just scrolling through stories. So I do not know, but they are the 3 highest ones. Now that was the analytics of everything the best I can explain. So I'm sorry if this does not make sense, but now I'm going to show you, just showing you on my phone. I've kind of showed you already, but how you can get this many views. So let's get into it. So of course, the first thing you have to do is film a video for 60 seconds. You have to just film it like this for amount of 60 seconds. The way I done it was film my makeup video and then film another bit of my fashion. So you just pause it, stop the video, and then let's say I wanted to turn it to my face. I then will be like, hi guys, welcome back to a new video. This video is going to be about YouTube tips. Let's get into it. It was only 7 seconds, so you can do it really fast if you've got the rhythm and you've understood how fast you talk. But that's also another tip that would be helpful for your other videos, because most people do say don't drag your intro. Make it short and sweet and catchy so everyone can watch the rest of your video and will enjoy it. So you film in this way as well. This is portrait. So normal videos you film that way. This video you film this way. And of course it is 60 seconds or less, however you want. Some people have done 45 seconds, some people have done 50 seconds, and I've done 60. So it's how much you want to put in that video in 60 seconds. If you go over, it will just be an average video, and I don't think you will get out there. But yeah, the next tips I would say about doing this is, as I showed you, I put hashtag shorts in every single way I can, in the description, in the title, in tags, anywhere. Hashtag shorts video, however you can do it. But that is pretty much how I did it. That is the main tip. I did what I would think most people haven't done. Like, they get told to put it in the title or the description, but no one actually, or I've never seen no one actually say put it in everything. So that is a tip from me. But except from that, this is just because it's brand new. It's a new thing to YouTube, and to be fair, it's not in the full UK yet. Like, YouTube is going to have an update that's meant to look like this. So that is why it's brand new, and it's only in Ireland right now, I think. So I would recommend doing this type of video / shorts before it comes into the UK as an update for YouTube. But I hope this helped you, and let's get into the outro. Did you like it? Did you like it? Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment down below, because I love interacting with you guys. And if you're not already, hit subscribe. These aren't my normal videos, but I just want to do these videos to help you guys when I blow up and I know how it worked, or I can look through how it worked. Like I said, Project Girl Boss, her videos and channels will be linked down below. If you are seeing this, her video about my analytics will be going up on Monday. She will probably go in more depth than I did, because like I said, this is in my niche, so I don't know how to talk about it. But I hope this has helped you to make your own short and hopefully get 4K views like I did on one video. Bye!